Okay, so I know this toy review is like long overdue. So I'm just gonna get straight to the point. I'm should have done this a long time ago, but this is basically everything I got in May. So let's start with this thing. This is the Amber Timer from Baby Newton and Baby Neptune. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Maybe it look cooler right here. It looks more like Newton right here. Here's Uno. I got this from Aunt Lindsay since I got straight A's for the last quarter of the school year. So, here's the front, here's the back, here's the side, here's the other side, here's the top, here's the bottom. Wow, such a rarity. And here's all the deck of cards. Here's both decks of cards. And then here are all the directions. I'm just gonna go through this like I do a Clark DVD Parents Guide. Here's the USB me flash drive that I got from my theater group. Here's a Beethoven 4/3, 70s 2 and 5 that I got from my grandma. This was one of the ways to make up for me getting COVID. Here's a disc and here's the guide. I'll show it to you. It came in this, which I'll show everything that's in it. Well, here it all is. And this CD is Symphonies 2 and 5. Here's Beethoven's Ninth. I got this from my dad. This also makes up for a lot for when I got COVID and couldn't go to the actual concert. Like I originally planned. So, yeah. Here's the CD paper. It's almost like a 1998 or 2000 CD. It's like a Clark CD. Honestly. Like one of the early Clark CDs. Here's the Harry Potter magazine. Here it says talk about Harry Potter. I love all the, and I really love Harry Potter. Now to find the wand, the Harry Potter wand that Grandma gave me, that was used in the See and Spy Shapes video version. If I can find it. I can't find the one, but here's a box for it. Oh, never mind. Here it is. It's so basically it's a wand pen. So if you light it up like this, and this is the pen side. So yeah, that's it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later. Goodbye.